hold on one sec. I gotta go ahead and get the battery pack so my phone doesn't die. Okay, sorry. I had to abruptly cut the phone off because I ended up running out of battery, filming myself trying to make this shoulder to arm connector. So I did that for this show. Now we have to add the torso straps right here. So while the phone was charging, I went ahead and made the strap length. So you see this really long one? That is going to be the one that's going to be going on the back, which is the right of the right shoulder, and the shorter one is going to be going to the front. I also had to stop by at Hobby Lobby and get these.
I like money.
Now, I needed to get 2 more of these, but I'm going to have to just make do and just deal with these. This will have to be enough. So I will go ahead and get started filming. Okay, so we're going to have to this is what we want. Now, obviously this is the wrong length. I gotta make sure that this is even. So let's do that. See this end? This is the longer end. It goes all the way down. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this. Pull this, so this is gonna get pulled inside, and that way this can get pulled in for this end. And we...
I ought to do it.
There we go. Right. Now they're even. Glad we caught that mistake together. I can already hear someone pulling it. See, there we go. Of course, we don't want it this length. We're going to probably have it something where it's more like in the lines of here. Right there. See that? Not that much. Now, I'm going to have to do the same thing for this one. Now, of course, I'm going to have to take that off. What an annoyance this is.